Have you got a slippery pair? Have you got a slippery pair? No. Who's going to have a bite of your pear? No, there's nothing there. Nothing. It's not working right now. Okay. Tell me up. Say with your mouth. Up. Down. Have a bite. Is that your slippery pear? Yes. Do you want to put your jacket on? Yes.
Mum.
Mum? I thought you were going to say no. Say no. Tell me how you say no. Oh, okay. Later we can go for a walk. We'll go for a walk later. First you've got to have your slippery pear. Good girl, you bite with your teeth. Show me your teeth. Good girl. Okay. You have some more pear. Okay.